Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to give a brief overview of the Azure Cost Analysis tool and some of its functionality. To start, you'll want to click on Cost Management, then Cost Analysis. This dashboard provides you with loads of information regarding your Azure environment. You can see here we have the actual cost, which is your current consumption in US dollar, as well as the forecast, which is an estimation of what the total cost is projected to be at the month end. You can also change the time period of the chart. By clicking Previous, you will see the data for the month prior. Notice how there's no forecasted cost as this month is already closed. Another useful feature are the filters. There are many ways to filter your data, but as an example, you could filter by service name, then select Virtual Machine, and press the green check mark. Now, your dashboard will only display the costs associated with Virtual Machine. And to remove any filters, just X them out. You can also manipulate the format of the graph. For example, say you want to see a bar graph for the last 3 months of consumption. You can select the date range, change the granularity to monthly, and change the chart type from area to column. By hovering over each month's bar, you can see the respective total monthly cost. In terms of overall functionality, we've barely scratched the surface. The best way for you to learn is to log in and try some of this on your own. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to check out some of our other videos regarding Microsoft Azure.